Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up oxygen acetylene torches. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, like safety glasses. Always ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from any flammable materials. Before you begin, carefully inspect all your equipment for any signs of damage or wear. This crucial step helps prevent accidents and ensures safe operation. Next, let's connect the regulators and hoses. Begin by attaching the oxygen regulator to the oxygen cylinder, making sure it's tightened firmly. Then, connect the acetylene regulator to the acetylene cylinder, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Finally, attach the green hose to the oxygen regulator and the red hose to the acetylene regulator, connecting them properly. Now, we'll attach the torch handle and tip. Connect the oxygen and acetylene hoses to the torch handle, ensuring they are properly seated. Carefully select the correct torch tip that is appropriate for your specific welding or cutting task. Once chosen, securely attach the torch tip to the torch handle, making sure it's tightened correctly for safe operation. For the final steps, we'll check for leaks and purge the system. Slowly open the cylinder valves and use a leak detection solution to check all connections for any gas leaks. Next, purge the hoses by briefly opening the torch valves to clear out any air. Finally, adjust your regulator pressures to the recommended settings for your specific torch tip, preparing for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.